Welcome to Aloha Laundry Life, where we turn your family memories into timeless keepsakes with our preservation service. Here's how it works. Step 1. Complete the order form on our website. Whether it's sneakers, wedding dresses, military uniforms, or more, tell us what you have and what your expectations are. Step 2. Our team will review your order and confirm the details with you. We'll then create a custom quote ensuring you only pay for what you need. Step 3. Your quote will be delivered to your email inbox and will notify you via text when it's been delivered. Then just simply make your payment. Step 4. We'll provide you with a prepaid shipping label, and in some cases we'll even provide garment packaging. Package your garments securely and apply the provided shipping label. Step 5. Drop off your garment package at your local postal carrier and it will be shipped to the preservation facility. Your local postal carrier can also assist with packaging your garments if needed. Your garments will arrive at our preservation facility where they'll be treated with meticulous care over a few weeks. But when it's all said and done, they'll be preserved to last for years to come. Finally, your garments are transformed into a timeless keepsake when they're encapsulated in the special display casing. Then your keepsake will be professionally prepared, packaged, and shipped back to your doorstep so you can enjoy your elegantly preserved family memories.